All right, ladies and gentlemen and programmers, we're going to get started with the next thing. We're going to learn how to make the wall to kill the wombat. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to go into the wall 2, and you can see there's nothing much in here. So let's close that for a second. So we're going to steal some stuff from the wombat because the wombat already does a good job of this. If you look in the act method, you can see, where is the act method? Way up here. Okay, if you found a leaf, eat a leaf. Okay, so that's what we're going to do to start off with. So we're going to click that from the opening curly brace to the closing curly brace of this. If you found a leaf, eat a leaf. So we're going to go control copy, and then we're going to go to wall 2, and we're going to go right here and hit enter, and we're going to press control and V, and we don't want to find a leaf. What are we looking for? We're looking for a wombat. And what do we want to eat? We want to eat a wombat. And do we want to add a new wall 2? Nope, we don't want to do that. So we're going to delete that, and then finish deleting that. Okay, now what's going to happen? He doesn't know how to find a wombat or eat a wombat, so what we're going to do is we're going to go to the end of the act method. It starts there, and then we're going to hit enter, and we're going to say, now, is found a wombat a command or a question? It's a question. Did you find the wombat? How is it going to answer that question with true or false? So it's going to be, it has a Boolean return type. So we're going to say public Boolean found wombat. Parentheses, enter, opening curly brace, enter, closing curly brace. Okay, now it's gonna, oh, I keep having these extra things. Let's get rid of that. Okay, let's go edit, auto layout. Okay, so now found wombat is kind of happy. Now it doesn't know how to eat the wombat, so we're gonna go right here, opening, closing, we're in the yellow, enter, and now we're gonna say, no, eat wombat's a command, so it's gonna be void, so we're gonna say public void eat wombat. Parentheses, enter, opening curly brace, enter, closing curly brace. All right, so now it's mostly happy, except for I have the stupid extra curly brace again, and then I have to go edit auto layout to look right. Okay, so now this is mad. Public Boolean found wombat is mad because if I have to answer the question with a true or false, I have to answer with a true or false. So I'm just going to say return true, and then it's like happy. There's no error messages. Okay, but this is kind of lame. That's not what we really want. We don't always want it to return true. So what we're going to do is we're going to go steal some more stuff from the wombat. So we're going to come over here to, we're going to go to found leaf. Okay, so we're going to public Boolean found leaf. We're going to copy this. Control copy, Control C. Then we're going to go to the wall, and we're going to go to found wombat. We're going to get rid of this thing. Control V. Now, do we want to find a leaf? No, we want to find a lowercase wombat. We want to find an uppercase wombat, and we want to find a lowercase wombat. Okay, good. Now we want to eat. We want to put some code in the body of the eat wombat method. So let's go over to the wombat and let's copy the eat. So we're going to go Control C. So notice I didn't catch the opening and closing curly braces. We're going to go over here. I'm going to go right there, hit enter, press Control V. And again, I don't want a leaf, I want a lowercase wombat. I want an uppercase wombat. I want a lowercase wombat. And I want a lowercase wombat. And I don't need to count leaves, so I'm just going to delete this. Alright, and I gotta spell it right. Okay, let's see if this works. Okay, so we're going to put in a wombat, and we're going to put in some leaves. We're going to run it. Okay, so let's go and see what happens if I run into this barrel. It kills me. So that is good. The only other thing we're going to need to do is make the game end. So what we'll do is go to wall 2, and we're going to say get world.remove object wombat, and we're going to say greenfoot dot stop. Okay, and that'll capital G, greenfoot dot stop, and that'll end the game. Okay, all right. I think that's it. Thanks, guys.